So following on from the previous video, we were trying to work out this area here. Hang on. We were trying to work out this area here. So R is given by this, and we are bounded by this. So to work out this area here, the formula is given by this. So all we need to do is extract the R squared. So R is given by this. So R squared would be theta squared sine squared. So R squared is theta squared sine squared, and then this is a constant, so take it out. That will then give you this. So it's really just a matter of you integrating this. So when you're trying to integrate, when you see sine squared or cos squared, think about this, the half angle formula. So here we are going to put this into here. So now you've got to use integration by parts. So putting it into there, it will then give you this. It will then give you this because, hang on, because if you put this into here, then you've got a half here. Take it out and merge it with this. That will give you a quarter. It will then give you a quarter. Basically, it's a matter of you multiplying this out. So hang on. So it's now a matter of you evaluating this. So multiply this out. So that will then give you this. So now it's just a matter of evaluating this. So let's evaluate this as being one integral and this here another integral. So integrate this. It will give you a third theta to the power of 3. So that's one thing here. And then now integrate this. So that's this bit here. Okay. So really what we're doing is we're breaking this up like this. Theta squared, and then minus a quarter, integrate this bit here, theta squared cos the blah blah. So this bit here, d theta here, is this bit here, and then this bit here is this bit here. Well, let's just try and evaluate this. Put this into here, and then later on take away this into here. That will then give you this. That will then give you this. So this thing here equals this. So now it's just a matter of us evaluating this. So to evaluate this, we will need to use integration by parts. You could use integration by parts, or you can just jump to this table. I've already shown you. We did this a long time ago. You could, because looking at this, you know, if you use integration by parts, you're going to have to remember you set this to u, and then you set this to v prime. And then here, because you've got squared here, you're going to have to differentiate u twice. But then rather than doing it, you could you could use integration by parts, or you could just use the table method. So using the table method, set this to be u, set this to be v prime, and then now differentiate this, and then differentiate this, and then differentiate this. Set this. Set this here to be v prime. So v prime is this. So now integrate this, and then integrate this, and then integrate this. So now it's just, well, we've done this in the past, so maybe you might track back to one of the earlier videos. So the answer will be positive this thing, and then take away this thing, and then plus this thing here. If you can't follow this, then use integration by parts. It would be longer. But if you can create this table, then it will give you this. So hang on. So we're currently here. This thing here is this. It's this bit here. So now and then you've got minus a quarter and then whatever in here. So you've got minus, and then you've got minus a quarter and then whatever in here. So this whole thing here. So when you integrate this, it will give you this. Hang on. It will give you this. So remember, it's plus, minus, and the first one will be this. So it would be positive this thing here. So that would be a half theta squared sine 2 theta. And then the next one, remember, is plus, minus, and then the next one will be minus this thing here. So you've got a minus here and another minus here, so that will make it a positive. And then you've got 2 times a quarter, so that would be a half, and then you've got your theta here, and then you've got your, well, this thing here will then become this, and then don't forget the next one will be plus this thing here, but then you've got a negative here, so that will give you this negative, and then this times this thing here will then give you this. So overall, the answer would be this, and then evaluate it at from 0 to pi. So basically integrating this whole thing here will then give you this. Okay. So now evaluate it from 0 to pi. So evaluating it from 0 to pi. So we've got to put this into here. So sine of 2 pi is 0. So this thing disappears. Put it into here. This thing here disappears. Put it into here. Cos of 2 pi is 1. Cos of 2 pi is 1, and then you put this into here. So that will be pi over 2. Say time. Well, think about it. Put this into here, into here, into here. These two disappears. This then becomes this. Now put 0 into here. Sine of 0 will be 0. Blah blah. Well, put it into here. That would be 0. Put it into here. This thing here will be 1. If you put 0 into here, it will be 1. But then you also have to put 0 into here. So that will give you 0 over 2. Well, this whole thing here will then become this. And then tidy this up. Your overall answer will be this. This is your overall answer.